In this box could be the best pair of football boots ever. So let's unbox them. So this pair here is so iconic, and I paid a lot of money for it because I didn't manage to get it for retail. They did a raffle on Adidas for them, but I didn't get them, so I had to pay £600 for them. There's only 1,994 pairs in the world, so pretty limited. I expect the price to go up eventually, but I don't know if I'll ever sell these because it's such an iconic pair and so good. Oh, I just love this pair so much. So I'll try and open this up, but I'm absolutely terrible at unboxing things recently. And I really don't want to cut into the box. Open these up. God, this box is massive. Wow, this is so heavy, I'm going to have to flip this. Right, so here is the pair. They come in another box, so you know they're packaged well. Slide this out, look at that packaging. Slide these pair out. My God, it's packaged so well. And here we go. Jesus, they come in like a suitcase. So on the front it does say Predator, hopefully you can see that in the lighting. And this is pair number 1012 out of 1994. Yeah, the packaging is absolutely amazing. This is really heavy, and like if I make a sound, listen, like it is heavy. So on the inside here we've got clips, so I'll undo these and unbox these. So it opens up. I'm actually really excited for this because I absolutely love this pair. Let's open it up. Oh my God, these are incredible. Oh, they're so nice. So when I lift this up, you can see the packaging. So it comes with this kind of like gold plate here, which shows you all the Predators and throughout the years. And then on this side, we have the Predators themselves for the 30th anniversary. Got them in my true to size UK 9.5. So here they are. The Adidas Predator 30th anniversary. Absolutely spectacular. And I'm really glad they've chosen these colors because they work so well on a Predator. So I'll take out both pairs. It's quite annoying how you have to take out the tongue to unbox them because they're actually like secured in. But I guess that's what you get with a collector's item. Let me try and give you a close-up of the details here on the gold plate. Hopefully you can see that okay. You can see my camera setup, but there you go. So on the inside it says Adidas is celebrating 30 years of its iconic Predator range, a line of football boots that have become synonymous with precision and power on the pitch. Since its establishment in 1994, the Predator has been worn by some of the greatest players in the game. It says a little bit more, but I'm not going to go into it. But this box is so heavy, like this is probably about £200 worth in just the box itself. So I'll move that to the side and then we'll take a look at the boots. So as Adidas has said, the iconic tongue is back, as you can see here. So you put it over the laces like that and clips underneath the studs and you get that iconic Predator look. This colorway is absolutely spectacular. So on this pair they developed a brand new hybrid touch 2.0 on the inside here, so it gives off a really grippy feel on the ball. It actually feels relatively thin, and I think these will be super comfy, and I'm not sure if I'll ever try them out, but these are so spectacular. So if I give you a close-up, you can see it has a snakeskin almost like appearance underneath, which is actually pretty subtle unless you see it in certain lighting, and it looks so good on the black colored parts. On the outer side you have the traditional 3 Adidas stripes in white, which stand out so well on the black, and then on this kind of like, I would say it's almost like a pinky purple, almost kind of a burgundy color. It isn't a red from a true Predator, but I don't mind that. On the heel tab you have a metallic patch with the Adidas logo in the same color as the tongue, which stands out really nicely from the back. But actually one of my favorite parts of this boot is the sole plate. It does say Predator on the bottom side here, covered obviously by the tongue hold. So you can see the tongue hold also says Predator on it, but this sole plate is spectacular, and I think I'll probably display these on my cabinet behind, but I just don't know how I'm going to display them because such a beautiful boot. So on the iconic tongue, you can see it does have the Adidas logo in 3 white stripes, and also has more of these grip sections here to get better grip on the ball. But let's lift up the tongue so you can see underneath. Here you go. So underneath you can see it says Predator once again. A lot of Predator branding on the shoe, as you could expect, and the laces match the color of the tongue itself as well. But you're never really going to see them because the tongue, if you're playing, will always be down, in my opinion. You do get quite a lot of cushion support around the heel, so it's quite good. They are incredibly thin elsewhere, but it's good to see that they do have some support towards the heel. These boots were almost impossible to get, but they have actually brought out a brand new launch colorway, and I do have them on the way as well, so I'll be comparing them side by side. They'll be exactly the same model, but different colors, and this one is just truly iconic, but we'll see what the other one is like. So let me know down below in the comments what you think of Adidas bringing back the Predator. I think it's absolutely amazing, and I'm so glad they're bringing back old style boots, and I really hope Nike do it too, because I would love to see some old Mercurials, but also hope that Adidas bring back the old F50 Spider. That is probably my favorite boot of all time, with the old Mercurial, with the gold transition towards the heel. Both of those boots, my absolute favorite boots of all time. Predator's definitely up there, and because there was only so many limited, it's a collector's piece, and I had to get it because it's truly an iconic boot. Comment down below where I should display these in my studio. I'm thinking maybe up the top shelf right there in the corner, but I'll have to see if it fits on the top shelf, and it is incredibly heavy and I don't want the shelf to fall down, so that could be a problem. But let me know what your favorite part of this boot is, because come on, this is spectacular. And they launched obviously with the player of the moment right now, Jude Bellingham, and I can't think of a better boot for him to wear than this one. Trent's got his own colorway as well, which is pretty nice, but in my opinion, this one is the best one so far to release, and I actually rate it higher than Predators of the past. I think this one is much better. Love everything. I actually have no complaints about this boot whatsoever. I think it is absolutely superb. I just hope they bring out even more colorways, and I'm probably going to buy them all, and I'm going to just collect them like crazy. But let me know down below in the comments what you think of these. Do you think they're worth £600? £300 retail, but right now resale is about £600. I'm happy to pay that for these, but let me know what you think. But that's the end of my review for the brand new Predator, the 30th anniversary. What do you think of these? Straight into my top 5 boot of all time.